my name is Arthur de Vaublanc, head of sales at Relion. I joined the team a year ago now, and my main mission as the head of sales is to lead and execute all the go-to-market strategies alongside my co-founders, Benoit and Jesse, and my colleagues as well. Relion is a company that was created in 2023. We're a new paradigm in the industry. Our main goal is to provide a fully dedicated O&M platform specifically designed for the EV chargers. So we cover everything. We are hardware agnostic, end-to-end solution that cover everything from the issue detection to the resolution, down to the work orders and the part management as well. So our big mission is to resolve one of the biggest challenge of the industry is the reliability of the EV charging infrastructure. So we want to provide the right tool to the operators to better orchestrate the whole operation and maintenance process that can require a large charging infrastructure. Having a unified standardized platform that take issue from a lot of different manufacturers. We do the work on ingesting those comprehension of those issues, so we provide the right efficient diagnostic, easy to understand and easy to act on it as well. We are a new paradigm in the industry. We're not alone. We see more and more companies aiming to do the same or having the same approach that we do. But so there were all the first systems that were built to support the EV chargers. And the first needs when you deploy a charging network is how do I make sure my user will be able to access the charger and pay for the charging session? And that's what the main CSMS of this world did. So they all focus on the front-end user experience, so the user app, show where there is charger on the map. They will provide monitoring, but it will be limited again because it was built for the front-end user experience, right? It was not built to support back-ends users and needs, and that's where we come to mind. So we're not there to replace CSMS of this world. We have good example with Relion, a CPO in New York area, very busy CPO that use a CSMS and use us as the backend system. So we see us as a complementary solution to CSMS, not a direct competitors. And that's what we add in the industry, right? So the CSMS will focus on the front-end user, the business aspect of operators, all the payments, network, billing, and so on. We manage the back-end operation and maintenance, all the issue, work orders, cost, mean time to repair, mean time to resolution, and so on. There is three main industry, four actually. There is the fleet operators, so all the private network. So you can think about in North America is very famous, all the yellow school bus, right? Very famous in North America. And for them, they are electrifying a lot their fleets, and so they have to own and operate a lot of chargers. Think about as well Amazon deliveries, right? They have a lot of fleets and they have to support their electrified vehicle with chargers. And in their end, it's critical to have chargers that work because if there is issue during the charging session, they might have some vehicle that can go out early in the morning, so it's impacting a lot of the operations. So having a tool like Relion helping them having more reliable chargers will obviously benefit them. Then there is all the public network operators. A concrete example we have is well known in the industry in North America is Relion. So Relion is a CPO in New York area. They had a CSMS in place, was working well, but they have more than 200 chargers and they had like a NOC team and it was starting to be more and more difficult to scale in an efficient way. So they had to use Relion to support all the activities from the operation and maintenance part of the charger, right? They wanted to know proactively as soon as possible they had issue on chargers so they can react on right now, because if the charger is not working, it's literally some revenue loss for them. That's another industry we can address. Another one is service providers. So more and more technician company that sell and install chargers. They wanted to provide a full maintenance package service, so full proactive maintenance service after they perform the installation of the charger. And what they need to empower that offering is having the right technology that will give them the full visibility of the assets they installed, right? And we have few case study like Malco Electric in Quebec. It's a service provider in Quebec. They're using our technology to provide that service to their customer. So basically, instead of answering the phone, having a customer that is pissed because the charger is not working, they don't have the visibility in the charger, they don't know what's going on, so they now be able to control that, have the visibility in the charger and act almost before the charger even realized that there were an issue. So that will be the main industry we go after. As we're fairly new company, right, our goal now is to continue what we're building, taking all our customer feedbacks and improving the tool and making sure that, everything that we're aiming to do, we're doing the right way.